Welcome to Purposive Communication. We are going to discuss the communication and the process of communication. First, what is communication? Communication came from the Latin word communicare, which means to share or to transmit a message. It is given that communication is a way in order to communicate with the other people or given our thoughts or ideas, which are need, of course, the most important is the sender and the receiver in order to transmit the message and understand. So what is the process of communication? The process of communication is the how the communication works and how it deal and make the communication effectively. Of course, in a communication, should be a sender, a receiver, and that's the most important, and then the message, the channel, and the noise. Of course, the most important also is the feedback. So the sender is the who initiate the message, the receiver who receives the message and going to understand what the words or ideas coming from the sender. The message is of course the communication, the transmitting in a message or communication, and the channel or which a message going through, or it come from verbal or written or non-verbal, or it can from the poem or something like that by transmitting, or this is the way on how to communicate or how the message transmit into the sender or the receiver. The noise is the way, or this is the reason why we can't understand the senders, or it's hard for us to understand the message because of the noise. For example, the outside, the rain, or anything that can distract, or anything can distract, and it can be impossible for us to understand because of the noise. And also the feedback where the message is going to understand by the receiver, and if she or he is already understand the message, she or he already give the feedback in order to continue their communication process, in which in this way is this it can call the effective way of communication, which is this: there are a sender, receiver, message, channel, and the other process communication.